Good morning, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to talk about my Dahlia plant. I got this Dahlia plant from nursery and I transplanted it here in a bigger pot, which is I think 5-gallon pot, and it is almost covered in this plant. Now it has grown quite a lot since I got it, and it has been putting lots of blooms, and as you can see the flowers are really pretty, light pink flowers, and these are really big flowers. These are new blooms and this is a mature bloom here, and the petals are really delicate and of nice shade of pink, so the flowers get really big and bulky. When they open up, the center is like yellowish color, and then the petals, mature petals, are of white color with pink edges, and it looks really pretty. So these are really big beautiful flowers which you can use in cut flower arrangements, and this plant has been producing lots of blooms all summer long. There are still plenty of birds on this plant, and we are in fall now, but it's still doing absolutely fine. The foliage is pretty too. The leaves are like toothed ends and of dark green color, and I think these lighter pink flowers stand really well with this dark green foliage. Some of the petals turn tatty, so I keep taking those petals off the flower, and the flowers still look fine. So these flowers also have like quite long vase life, and they stay blooming like on the plant as well for like 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm really impressed with the progress of this plant, and these Dahlia plants are hardy in our zone, and they are hardy in zones through 8 to 11, which means I don't really have to take this plant indoors. In winter they can survive the cold winter temperatures here in our zone. However, if they do show the signs of like cold weather, which means the foliage turns black, then I can always cut the foliage and lift the tubers and take the tubers indoors and store them. So you can grow these Dahlia plants from tubers like dormant birds. You can get these birds in January, February, and plant them in March indoors, and you can plant them in the ground in May, I think, when the all dangers of frost has gone, and they do really well all summer long, put on lots of blooms. And you can also grow these plants from cuttings. So next year I'm planning to plant this plant in the landscape, so I'm going to put it in the landscape because it's really beautiful flower. I'm really impressed with its growth and how the way it looks, so I think it will look even better in the ground, and maybe I can try to propagate this plant as well. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in next